My name is Sakshi Sadegaonkar and today I am going to tell you about the corruption in India. Today's date is 15 January 2024 and today is the non-technical topic for today's video. So my topic is corruption in India. So basically what is meant by the corruption? So corruption is one of the form of the dishonest or the fraudulent which is performed by the individuals. In other words, corruption is the one type of the behavior that is performed by the individual who is using his own power that is given to himself or the herself from the government, and to use this power for the for the selfishness of the individual. It means the corruption is the one of the form of the behavior that belongs to the dishonesty or the fraudulent. The corruption can have the many forms. Corruption can have the many forms like the liberty, embezzlement, also the money related corruption, also the misuse of the resources that is given to individual by the government for the public, public of the India. This is nothing but the corruption. For some examples of the corruption is like that when we are going in the ration shop, that is the ration shop when the customers came there and they want the wheat or the jar or the sugar, etc. Then the shopkeepers of that ration card holders cutouts in the measurement and gave them the less quantity of that particular product than the original quantity, but in the list and the records they mention that as it is, that mention that product quantity as it is. So the money came from the government is directly going to the shopkeeper, and in this way shopkeeper will be in the profit, and there is a loss of the customer. So it is one form of the corruption that is mostly happen in the ration card holders, by the ration card holder shopkeepers in the ration shop. Due to the corruption in India increasing day by day, it leads to the deployment in the India. Also the poor governance in the India. Also there is a lack of liberty in the India. The corruption is going on in India from the decades, from the very much decades ago. Corruption is increasing day by day in India. We have to take some steps to stop this corruption in India, because due to the corruption the loss of the middle class families is increasing. The corruption affects in all the public of the India, from the poor to the richest person of the India. All the person faces the corruption in any form, at any step of their life. Like in the education system also there is a one term that to give the deposit, and then you will get the admission in the one of the topmost colleges of the India. This is nothing but the corruption, and due to this corruption and due to this management term or the deposit term, the loss of talented students and the good students, or the poor students is happen that they cannot pay the money in the 4 lakhs or the 5 lakhs, but the rich people can do that, and so that the rich people got the admission in the good colleges, but the poor people remains in the poor people remains in the small colleges. So we have to take the steps to stop the corruption, and the corruption can be and the corruption can be stopped from yourself. Firstly, please do not support the corruption, because if you stop to do from the corruption, then everyone will going to be stop the doing corruption one day. So thank you.